Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best folding knife. Here are the top 3 folding knives that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. CJRB AR RPM 9 Folding Knives. This folding knife has a blade length of 3 inches, which makes it perfect for everyday use. The blade material is made from 440C stainless steel, which is strong and corrosion resistant, and the handle material is aluminum. This folding knife also includes a pocket clip which provides easy attachment and aids in maneuvering during outdoor activities. It has a thumb stud for easy opening and a liner lock to keep the blade in place, and it comes in yellow or black handle color. The handle is made from G10 material, which can withstand high temperatures and resist moisture, and has a rubberized texture for better grip in wet conditions. At number 2. Rush Deer RG10 Folding Knife. The Rush Deer RG10 knife has a 3-inch blade and is constructed with stainless steel for durability and longevity. The handle is made of durable polymer, which provides grip in wet or dry conditions and is a must-have for every hunter, camper or outdoor enthusiast. This folding pocket knife can be opened quickly with one hand by pushing the thumb stud or flipper on the side of the blade. It features a 4-blade with serrated edge and 3-position lock release, and has an ergonomic grip that allows a firm hold in tough conditions. It also includes a pocket clip for safekeeping it on the belt loop or backpack strap, and can easily be carried around. At number 1. Albatross EDC Tactical Folding Pocket Knife. This folding knife features an ergonomic design with G10 handle scales and a pocket clip for easy carry. The knife's blade is made from 8CR13 MOV steel, which offers good edge retention and strength, and has a liner lock to keep the blade in place. It has a sharp blade with serrated edges for cutting rope, cord, cloth, fruit, vegetables, and more. The handle is made of durable aluminum alloy with an ergonomic design for comfortable use, and comes with a nylon sheath that attaches to the belt loop. This item includes a safety lock so the blade will not open accidentally during outdoor activities like camping, fishing, or hunting. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.